How to adjust colors and gradients in Wix Studio. So gradients first, we have in here our section background, and it's actually a gradient. So you can click onto this three dots right here, and then you can edit it out if you want. Just head over and then click on the editor. Now you can just copy this design or duplicate it as well. Now in here, if you want to adjust some colors onto your whole website, what you can do is you click onto this icon right here, which is the site styles. Now it shall open the colors of your own website. Like for example, we have in here our violet color. Let's choose in here the violet color, and then let's change that, for example, to green. So as you can see, it's now been reflected into green, and you can just change it like the colors, the typography, max speed, and a lot more. So that's how you adjust colors and gradients in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.